What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with a video, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 low black toes on deck. I'm going to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet. It's going to be quick, man. It's about to rain where I'm at right now. I'm going to unbox them with you right now. You can see typical Jordan 1 box, nothing special at all. Okay, it does say Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. The colorway is white, black, varsity red. These are a size 9. Open up the box. The Air Jordan 1 Low black toes. Very, very nice shoe, I must say. And just your regular paper inside the box. Big shout out to Chicago Imperium. They always coming through for me. Y'all already know that. Before we get into this video, all you guys, man, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. These are supposed to release July 28th, which is in a couple of weeks. Show you the quality and stuff like that, how they look. I must say, really, really clean shoe. I'm not a low top kind of guy. I don't like lows, but I must say these right here are very, very nice, guys, like for real. And the quality is really, really good. For these, I think they're going to be like $140, but for that price, man, they definitely worth it. I think so, in my opinion. It does come with red laces on the shoe, and it also comes with a set of black laces. Would have been nice they would have came with some white laces also, but they didn't. The leather's very soft. Tumble leather all throughout the front of the toe, as you can see. Got your black toe going in the front. Does have the leather also. Red laces, like I said. Black nylon tongue. You do got the Nike Air right there. Coming over to the side part of the shoe, you do got the black swoosh, your white panel with your black toe in the front and on the side over here, with your red in the back. All white midsole that goes around the shoe, very nice. Medial, same as the lateral, white on the midsole, black swoosh, black going towards the front, red going towards the back. And you can see, now look at your tumble leather over here. You see that? Very, very nice. They got the webs and everything. Now, as for sizing on these bad boys, man, go true to size. You'll be good to go. When we get to the inside of the shoe, white inner sole, Nike Air in the black, as you guys can see. You do got the Air Jordan back there. Take a look. Very, very nice with the wing and the basketball. Take a look at that bottom. Nike branding in the bottom, all red bottom. Very, very nice. Quick overlook of these Air Jordan 1 black toes. I want to know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Are you going to be going for these? Cop, pass? Let me know. It's a dope shoe for the summer. They came out at a perfect time for these. But yeah, man, thank you all for watching. We're going to get on this quick on feet, man, because I said it's going to rain. So I'm just, give y'all guys a quick one. So yeah, man, hit that thumbs up. Like the video. I love you all, man. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. And it's your boy DS Dan. Let's get into this on feet. I'm gone.